So hello guys, I am Prerna Rustagi and I am textile designer from NIFT Bhopal. I'm going to tell you 5 major things that NIFT is never going to tell you, irrespective of whatever your college is. But I am going to tell you that those are the 5 things which actually you require as a NIFT graduate or as a budding NIFT designer, or even if you go to XYZ college. So the first thing is the art of networking. The art of networking is basically आपको निफ्ट कब बताता है कि आपके नेटवर्क्स बनने चाहिए, आपको सेमेस्टर 7 या 8 में बताएगा. And then they will expect कि you will message your seniors for your internships and for graduation projects, and nobody is actually bother about your internship and your projects. So the thing is कि आप जैसी निफ्ट में एडमिशन लेते हो आप पहले ही अपने कनेक्शंस बनाने रख जाओ फॉर द समर इंटर्नशिप्स ऑल्सो. ठीक है, आप डायरेक्टली सिर्फ लिंक्डइन पे अपने ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट से एक दिन पहले या एक हफ्ते पहले मैसेज करोगे अपने सीनियर को कि प्लीज़ मुझे कहीं पे जॉब लगवा दो, या फिर कहीं पे आपके कोई मुझे मतलब लाइक पर्सनली भी मुझे इतने मैसेजेस आते हैं कि हमारी प्लेसमेंट नहीं हो रही, आप करवा दो. यू नीड टू मेक अ कनेक्शन गाइज, यू नीड टू मेक अ कनेक्शन, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप सिर्फ किसी से सिर्फ बोलोगे हेलो आप मेरी प्लीज प्लेसमेंट करवा दो, नो बडी एक्चुअली बॉदर्ड, किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है वो स्पेसिफिकली आपके लिए करेंगे. यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर फॉर योर लाइक आपको अपने सीनियर के लिए थोड़ी सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर खुद बनानी पड़ेगी ना उनके लिए कि वो आपको पर्सनली बोले कि यस वील गिव यू अपॉर्चुनिटी. यू नीड टू, इट्स ऑलवेज अ गिव एंड बैक रिलेशनशिप, राइट? तो इवन इफ दे आर हायरिंग यू, देखो खाली लिंक्डइन पे इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग, आई एम टेलिंग यू लिंक्डइन पे वैसी बहुत कम जॉब्स आती हैं, उसमें भी द हेड एंड द डिजाइनर हु एवर इज देयर इन द कंपनी दे आर गोइंग टू गिव प्रायोरिटी, नॉट प्रायोरिटी बट आई विल से बिकॉज दे नो द वर्क of their juniors, or maybe the person who is connected with them, they will give opportunities to them, right? So you need to make your connection. Our industry is extremely small in terms of fashion or in terms of home textiles, so you need to make sure that how you have to make your connections, and तभी आपकी प्लेसमेंट लगी. तो अगर आप सेमेस्टर 1 से आप अपने अच्छे कनेक्शन बना रहे हो, नॉट ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लेसमेंट्स एंड इंटर्नशिप, दे विल गाइड यू फॉर द अपकमिंग सेमेस्टर्स ऑल्सो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेमेस्टर 2, 3, 4, अगर आप फाउंडेशन प्रोग्राम के हो, सेमेस्टर 2, 3, 4 वाले को अपने सीनियर से थोड़ी हेल्प ले लेते हो या उनको हेल्प कर देते हो, दे आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू हेल्प यू, राइट? इन सेम वे. सो इट्स लाइक इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री, आई वुड से वेरी वेरी स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री. whether you go to a design house, whether you go to export house, this circle is very small. So it's very good, it will be very appreciated if you make the connection in the very initial stage. Now the second thing which I'm going to tell you is that how you have to like NIFT is not going to tell you that how to make money and how you have to say about your like talk about your money, how to ask for the money. आप कंपनी में जाते हो, राइट? यू गो टू अ कंपनी, व्हाट डू यू से कि whatever package initially, if you are just a graduate, what they are going to offer you, not more than 25 to 30K if you are going to a designer house. Even if you go to a export house, even if your work is very extremely good, not more than 30-35. Why? Because unless or until you need to ask for your own value, you need to ask for your own value, you need to show your work that what are your special skills. Maximum students, because why don't have you ever questioned upon yourself that why don't the industry give you more money? Why don't? Because they know that the coming graduates from NIFT are not that much good in terms of softwares. They are not much, even if you know the software, you are not that much good in terms of designing. So something that you need to learn from your graduation and internship project is that you need to more focus upon the designing skills rather than just software. Software, so of course you should know, but also you should know that whatever designs you are making, you are able to get some orders, you are able to get some stuff. Anyways, so apart from this, what thing, when you come to the table, you come to your like you know whosoever who is taking your interview, let's say you come to the table, you just ask ki, I know these skills, I know Adobe Photoshop, I know Illustrator, I know nowadays artificial intelligence is also on the boom, so you can say I know these stuff. And for those actually I'm asking for example X amount, 55K or 45K, not as a graduate one, but still for example you are asking for a 50K or 55K. Why? They will ask you that why I will pay you 55K. So you need to say and you need to bet on that ma'am, I'm using whosoever ma'am or sir is there, sir I have the skills, I have been doing in such internships, such projects, and I've done extremely good in terms of softwares, and you can see my work. Your portfolio should be extremely good irrespective you're from NIFT Bhopal, Mumbai, XYZ. It's easiest if your work is good, or if you're see, it's very easy to get graduation projects, even in it's easy to get jobs also if your work is good and your network is very solid. even if irrespective of if your work is very good and you are betting over, see, whatever price you are asking, your work should be, satisfying that amount, right? So qualifying that amount. So whatever amount you are telling, let's say you are telling about ki 55k 60k, show that work, show that skills to them, that I have done this thing, I have used Adobe Illustrator for this. Irrespective it's a textile company or a fashion company, show them the work, if even if you have done for the graphic design project. Because maximum time, what do you think, they have a special graphic designer in the company? Big companies do have, but when I talk about export, I talk about design houses, they don't really have. Because they will ask the same fashion person to create flyers, they will ask the same person to make videos, photography, same person, right? So in those cases you should show that these are the skills, and this is why I'm asking that particular amount. Yes, if your work is good, you can get good amount in a good company on the basis of your skills, irrespective you are from Delhi, Mumbai, Bhopal. This is just, this is just a myth that Delhi, Bangalore get more opportunities. Actually it's not there in the industry, to be honest. You have to focus upon your skills only. Now, handling about rejections. I have seen most of the students, we are getting rejected from Ritu Kumar. We are getting rejected from Sabyasachi. Guys, even if you are just a fresher, why are you feeling rejected? I know. See, you go to a jury में क्या होता है, आपका प्रोजेक्ट उठा के ऐसे फाड़ देते हैं, ऐसे दो टुकड़ों में फाड़ देते हैं. तो क्या होता है फिर जब आपका प्रोजेक्ट उठा के फाड़ जाते हो, तो आपको क्या बुरा लगता है? आपको 2 दिन बुरा लगता है, आप अपनी मिस्टेक्स पे काम करते हो. सिमिलरली इट्स लाइक अ जॉब ऑल्सो ना. Whatever your job is, even if you are trying for export, you are trying it for design houses, what actually you are doing is कि आपको एक बार मना कर दिया, उन्होंने बोला your work is not good, rework on this, they might guide you, they might not guide you, depending upon कि उनके पास उतनी वैकेंसी है, क्या काम है, क्या आप उनको सैलरी बोल रहे हो, ये सब चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करता है. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, डोंट गेट फील वेरी मच सैड कि हमारा रियलिटी ऐसी है कि जॉब नहीं लग रही है. पर्ल वाले भी बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान होते हैं कि नहीं लग रही है. You are not able to take that rejection, right? Guys, you are a professional course, you have done a professional course, you are not only dependent upon that salary. First of all, you can do x things after doing NIFT or Pearl or Amity or whatever college you are. You can do extremely good in that. For example, professional skills, go to Upwork, go to Fiverr, go to different types of social media type. Even if you are just a graduate, you can still apply for internships so that you can get at least handful of money for that, and keep on applying to good companies. Directly you are applying for the 5 companies. I've seen a lot of students, you are applying for Masaba, Ritu Kumar, Sabyasachi, and you are doing for this XYZ, like 5 6 companies, and then you are asking they are not getting job. Why are you applying for such companies when you think that you can apply for that, but at least you should be open for other companies? There, our textile industries are so big, so big. You will get opportunity, good opportunities. It's just that you need to find it, that where is the vacancy, and you can find it just not on LinkedIn, or follow such people who have 1,000 or 2,000 plus followers on, in terms of textile. They keep on posting. There are so many even WhatsApp groups also, if you will get to know. If you have a good bond with your seniors, they will also directly call you for this company is good, and that is even more better. If you're directly contacting your seniors, or maybe seniors are contacting you, right, then it's extremely good, because they are going to guide you कि कंपनी बहुत अच्छी है, आ जाओ काम कर लो प्रॉपरली. दे विल गाइड यू ऑल्सो, एंड दैट इज गुड. एक्चुअली इट्स गुड. ओके, सो इवन इफ अगर सीनियर्स नहीं है तो 5 6 कंपनी के अलावा कीप ऑन अप्लाइंग टू न्यू कंपनीज ऑल्सो, एक्सपोर्ट हाउसेज, design houses. There are small houses also, you can provide freelance project. Nowadays there is one more subject also in semester 7, freelance करके, ये professional project, right? So you can find different type of project, professional project from so many different sites, right? Internshala is there, Fiverr is there, Upwork is there. Keep on finding. And last thing which I'm going to tell you, like apart from, don't get rejected, like don't get very much sad on getting rejected or upset कि हमें reject कर दिया, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत सारी कंपनीज हैं, अप्लाई करते रहो, freelance project रहो, keep on doing at least some project side by side, unless until you are not getting a good job opportunity. Apart from this, now it's a 90% of the boring jobs. This is the fourth point which I am going to tell you, कि your 90%, even if after doing the lift, 90% आपका काम हो सकता है बहुत ज़्यादा बोरिंग हो. आपका काम इनिशियली बोरिंग नहीं होगा, तो जब आप सीनियर या हेड बन जाओगे तब बोरिंग हो जाएगा. इन टर्म्स ऑफ, यू जस्ट नॉट गोइंग टू मेक डिजाइन गाइज. 10 साल 15 साल 5 साल, कितने साल बनाओगे डिजाइन? उसके बाद यू हैव टू नो द एक्सेल ऑल्सो, यू हैव टू नो द गूगल शीट्स ऑल्सो. दिस इज साइड बाय साइड विच इज एक्सपेक्टेड बाय डिजाइनर. आप टेक पैक्स बनाते हो, यू हैव टू नो हाउ टू मेक अ टेक पैक्स, व्हाट इज स्पेसिफिकेशन शीट. अ पर्सन फ्रॉम डिजाइन हाउस, we know how to make a print, we know how to make a mock-up. That is not enough for the design industry. You should know how to make a specification sheet, what are the trims, what are the seams, what are the concealed zipper. That is also a part of it. Okay, so if you only know this and then you are asking कि हमें इतना पे कर दो, that is not possible. You have to understand कि उनकी expectations क्या है. They will ask, even if they are paying. Textile industry is little hard working in those cases. I will not say little, it is very much hard working. ठीक है, myth से बाहर निकल जाओ, जो लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं उनसे बाहर निकल जाओ. ठीक है, सीधी सी बात है, आपको बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा और आपको उसके स्पेसिफिकेशंस वगैरह भी बनाने पड़ेंगे. देन द लास्ट थिंग इज योर पर्सनल ब्रांड. गाइस, पर्सनल ब्रांड में ये नहीं बोल, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग डजंट मीन टू ओपन अ बुटीक. एवरीवन इज हर कोई नहीं चाहता अपना एक बुटीक या फिर अपना ब्रांड खोलना. आप चाहते हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है, बट दोज personal branding here, I am not talking about brand, I am talking about personal brand. Personal brand means even if you are applying for job, you should maintain your LinkedIn profile, keep your profile updated, put a nice photograph, everything. आजकल लोग सब कुछ देखते हैं. Maintain your Instagram, maintain your business profile. Business profile means your LinkedIn profile, Instagram. Keep on posting your stuff, even if you and if you are interested. Nowadays I've seen lots of designer brands are putting their hiring over their status and post, so you have to follow them to get updated. ठीक है, तो मतलब मैंने एक बार एक जूनियर थी, मैंने उसको बोला ब्रांड्स को फॉलो किया करो और उससे आपकी नॉलेज भी बढ़ेगी, पर्सनली भी बढ़ेगी, और जॉब वगैरह अगर आपको चाहिए, जॉब करनी है तो आप उसके लिए करो. द थिंग इज गाइज, अगर तो कहती मैम मेरे फॉलोअर बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाएंगे, मेरी फॉलोइंग बढ़ जाएगी, तो आप ये सब सोचोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. ब्रांड्स को फॉलो करो, दे कीप ऑन हायरिंग, एटलीस्ट यू विल गेट टू से कि वो क्या काम कर रहे हैं उनका. इवन इफ यू आर अ फैशन कम्युनिकेशन स्टूडेंट, यू विल एबल टू सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फोटोग्राफ्स, मैगजीन कवर, स्टाइलिंग, व्हाट दे हैव डन. You are a textile designer person, what else you will ask for it, right? So much of textiles and fashions is already, they are posting, brands nowadays are so active on social media. So just find out, there are jobs, there are, only thing I'm asking, I'm going to tell you is focus on the skills and build your good networks. Even if you will make the connections from day one, it will be very good, and very good, and 100% you will get a good job. Even if you can get a good job in Taswa, Reliance brands, and so many other stuff, and good export houses with the international brands, right? So guys, I hope this will be very fruitful. 5 things which I told about it was 90% of the job is boring. Then you have to build a personal brand, then you have to ask for the money on terms of your skills, how to build your network, and then I also talk about the how to handle rejections, right? How you can. I hope this video is very fruitful for the budding designers, and I would like you to because I'm going to show a lot of my projects which I have been doing in the office. I have been doing on like I have done in NIFT, and lots of stuff. Basically, as a designer, you can do it like I am doing it. So I'm going to share among you. So please subscribe it and be updated. And I think I'm going to post the next video on salaries. I'm going to show the harsh reality, what type of salary you get and where you get, what is the max of it, and in terms of fashion design, knitwear design, leather design. So please subscribe and be updated. Thank you.